Hey Bulldogs, Chris Bryant, CCIE number 12933 here, and in today's 3-minute tutorial, we're going to take a look at the mystery and the mayhem of the VLAN.DAT file. And not a lot of mayhem, I admit, but a little bit of mystery here with this particular file, what's in it, and how to work with it. And I'll show you exactly what I mean on live Cisco equipment. Actually, right now, I'm going to bring a pod up, and as you can see, we're working on a switch, and I don't think you can see that part yet, but you'll see it in a moment. And what I've done is a write erase on it and then a reload. We don't get to do that in the real world, obviously, for obvious reasons, I should say, but we do it in home labs a lot. And I wanted to show you this firsthand. So I've done the write erase, and that should get rid of everything. And now I'm being prompted, as we would expect, do you want to enter setup mode? Do you want to go into the initial configuration dialog? I'm going to say no, and in just a few seconds we're going to be put at the UserExec prompt. So I'm going to just put a couple of helpful home lab commands on here. And if you don't know the logging synchronous command and the exec timeout command, do a quick YouTube search, because I've got a video on that those two commands out there as well. So if we do a quick show config, you can see that the write erase was successful, because I had all kinds of stuff on here before, and right now I don't have any extra configuration except what I just wrote. So of course I'll make sure my VLANs are gone. And as you can see, I've got a lot of non-default VLANs there, 10 through 45, that survived this particular write erase. So how did they survive? Why are they still there? Let's do show flash, and the file we actually need to get rid of is right here, VLANDAT. That's got that VLAN information in it. So to totally initialize a Cisco switch, and again, don't try this at work, just do a write erase command and a delete VLAN.dat. So what I would do then, and let me bring that back up. I'll just do a quick write erase here after that runs, and then I want to show you how to delete this file, because it can be a little bit tricky. Here's the command, and it's very straightforward: delete VLANDAT. Then you hit enter, and it's going to ask you, is this the file name you want to delete? Watch this one, because what I tend to do on occasion is answer the prompted question instead of just accepting the default. Anytime you see one answer in the brackets like we see here, that's the default answer, and to accept it, all I have to do is hit enter. But here, if I hit Y or type in the word yes, notice now it's asking me, do you want to delete a file named yes from Flash? And yeah, I'll confirm that. And what you tend to do is focus on the no such file or directory message, and you don't realize that you actually answered the prompt. So when you're deleting this particular file, just type VLAN.dat and hit enter twice, and then you're good to go. Then you can reload and go from there. So just watch that VLAN.dat file. It can be a little bit tricky to delete, but that's why your VLANs may show up when you think that you've erased them. Thanks for watching today's video. I'm Chris Bryant, CCIE number 12933.